over what we've got coming out inside of the business builders or inside of One Happy Business. Because I'm really excited because this is a brand new course that's coming out, and it's something that I've been working on behind the scenes with a lot of people that are in our Kajabi membership. And I'm excited to show it to you all. So let me dive in here. Let me share my screen. Okay, so a website that converts. So a website that turns cold prospects into raving fans and customers. I'm really excited about this because a lot of people have been wanting to set up a website that does convert. What website that has got optimized for SEO, that that they can be running their blog off of, a website that's going to be able to have their smaller products running on evergreen all the time. So this is what we're going to be doing inside of this course, and it is going to be $27 this week. Probably it comes out on Wednesday, so it'll be $27 on Wednesday. But for anybody in the VIP room, you're going to be getting access to it today for free. For everybody else, it's going to come out with a special early bird pricing of $27 on Wednesday. So you'll be able to see this on Wednesday. You'll be able to, read through everything. I haven't got it quite finished. You're getting a behind the scenes look, but it will be all done on Wednesday. And what we're going to be going over is we're going to be exploring the 5 main pages that a website needs, which is the contact page, the about page, your start here page, your home page, and of course your blog. And then there's going to be all kinds of really great bonuses that are going to be coming on with this as well. So that's going to be what's coming out on Wednesday. But let me give you, let me just stop the screen share for that one. And I'm going to share the screen again. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to share the behind the scenes of what's actually in the course and what we've got coming out. So let me show you inside the actual course itself. Okay. So now you should be able to see inside the course. So inside of this course, it's going to go over. So if whether you have Kajabi or not, you're going to be able to get something out of this course for sure. It's going to have a welcome here video, and then even just being able to bookmark everything. This in and of itself is worth $27. Trust me, the amount of time that this is going to save you to be able to know how to bookmark and create folders on your Chrome browser to be able to find all of your stuff at once is going to save you a lot of time. It's going to save that procrastination as well as be able to help you in the mornings to be able to just go to those pages that you need right away. That is in and of itself is worth $27. But the contact pages, each one of these are going to have a plan, build, and launch section to it. So the contact page is going to have, I'm going to explain to you what you need to have and what should be on the contact page. Then I'm going to show you how to log into Kajabi to get it all done in Kajabi, but I'm also going to show you an overview of some other pages, some other people that have a really great contact pages. And then we're going to go through and follow the same model for each one of these. So the about page, it will have a section in there designing it, what you should have on it, and a checklist and things like that. And then I'm going to give you some examples of some really great, I usually give anywhere from 4 to 7 examples of different pages. And then we're going to be following through, and you can follow me through as I'm creating the entire page in real time throughout these videos. So in this one here, for example, it took me 30 minutes, 20, 30, 40 minutes to create an entire website page. All right. And then I go through the start here page and the home page and the blog page, and all of them will be the same. And you can see in real time, and you can speed it up. You can, instead of just watching it regular time, you can speed it up to 2 times that speed to be able to, watch me create that that page in real time. This is really important because a lot of people think it's going to take them a long time to set up a page or a website. I'm going to stop the share here right now. Stop sharing. There we go. So that they think it takes a long time. What really takes the most amount of time is making sure that you have your graphics and understanding your copy and understanding your ideal client or your ideal customer and knowing what you want to say to them and how you want to get them engaged with your page. So that is what's happening inside there. So if you've been struggling to get your website up, if you've been struggling to get your blog going, if you've been struggling with the SEO to make it populate and to really get visitors onto your website, then this is going to be the course for you. Now, each one of these pages are going to come with, except for the about page, I should say that. The very first one, sorry, the contact page is going to look a little bit different. Contact page is simply going to have a little worksheet like this, and it's going to show you everything that you need to have on that contact page. So this is what's going to help you to create it quite quickly as well. And then, because the contact page is quite simple, so it's only going to have that one PDF. But then everything like your blog, for example, it's going to come with a checklist like this of everything that should be on your blog, or everything that you could have on your blog. And then you can check off the things that you have, things that you want to add later, and things that you are like, wow, I can't believe I was missing that. So whether you're on Kajabi or whether you have a website on another platform, those checklists are going to be great. Then we're going to have a page like this. That's kind of like a template. Okay, it's a mini version of a template of that website page. And it's going to look something like this. All right, and it's going to help you to fill out the things that you want to have on your blog page or your home page, to be able to set them up so that you can actually put all the content in there. It's going to say maybe if you need testimonials, it'll have a place for you to pick out who's going to give you the testimonials and what you're going to say. It's also going to be able to give you lists of what social media platforms that you maybe want to talk about. And each one's going to build on the last one as well. So as you're moving through the pages, we start with the easiest one, which is the contact page. Then we move into the about page, and then we go to the start here page. And once you get to the home page, you're going to have a lot of this content done, and you're going to be able to repurpose it and pull it from those other pages onto your home page. So that's why we leave the home page to number 4. All right. And then you can start pulling in like things from your other pages, right? So that you can have your testimonials, your calls to action. I recommend 3 calls to action, one which would be free, one which would be for a small or micro offer or tiny offer, something under $100. Usually somewhere between that $7 and $50 range is really best, $7 and $49. And then have something else that's either like to a higher end product or to a coaching call or something like that. So those 3 actions, calls to actions, are really good. And then to have, at least three sets of testimonials, and then to have some social media links, some notable ASEAN logos and things like that are also really good to have on your website. So that is what is coming out this week. I'm really, really excited to share all of these templates, all of these checklists with each and every one of you. And like I was saying, if you're in the VIP room, you're going to get this for free. If you're not in the VIP room, you're still going to be able to get a smoking hot deal on this at $27. And then, as everybody knows, I start my prices really, really small, and then they double, triple, and even quadruple as I roll them out and as they get older and as I add in more materials. So what's going to be coming out this week? All the bonuses, because you guys are going to be getting in at such a great and amazing deal. All the bonuses won't be in there by the end of this week, but all the bonuses will be coming out. There'll be some bonuses coming out next week and the week after until the end of the month. And then by the end of the month, I should have all the bonuses in there for you as well. Some hearts for the bonuses too, which is great, but you don't have to pay anything extra for those bonuses. And trust me, this course, when you go through it, you're going to be so excited because you're going to be saying, oh my gosh, I know people that are, charging $1,000 for something like this. You will see that. And if you've ever wanted to have somebody else set up your website, or if you've had somebody else set up your website, you can pay at least $1,500 for this. $1,500 and up. I know people that have paid $5, $6, $7, and even $10,000 to set up a website, and you can get started on this one for $27 on Wednesday. All right, so I'm really, really excited. And then as you ladies are going through it, I want feedback. What's missing? What things are, maybe a little bit confusing? What things are you really excited about that you want more of? So that's one of the reasons I always start my products off at such a low price, is so that you guys can get in there and you guys can give me testimonials, and you guys can also make sure that what is in there makes sense. Okay. I always love to love on my people. So that is one of the greatest things about it. Now, the other thing that I really want to talk about is at the end of November, I think it's going to be the very last week of the month, I'm going to actually run this as a live program. So that's also going to be a big bonus. This will be an evergreen product, but that last week of this month, I'm actually going to run it as a live workshop. So, and you're going to get the workshop for free as well. So I'm really excited to give you guys all of these things. Those of you who have been following me all year, or maybe you're just new to this channel, right? Um, Either way, you're going to want to get in and get on this so that you have your website up and running for the new year. You're also going to be able to understand, why it's so important to build your subscriber list, right? Like, you guys already know this, but having a freebie on there and having all of that set up is so, so important. And then having that micro offer, or what I like to call it, is an iconic offer. It's a small offer under $50 that you can have to build your business really, really quickly. As I was doing up some of these videos, I had to go in and look and research some of my stuff. And I didn't realize how many subscribers and how many customers I've had on my different programs. So you're going to see in on the home page. I think it's on the home page. Yeah. When I do up the third video for the home page, you're going to see that I have over 700 people that have purchased something from me. Whether it's like, something as small as a $7 offer, or something that's, at $997 is the highest that people pay for my programs. But I've had over 700 people in there. So I've taken some screenshots out of Teachable, off of Udemy, off of Kajabi, off of a couple of different ones from Kajabi, and I put them all in there so that you guys can see, these little tiny micro offers. Can you imagine? Add it up. Like, if those 700 people only ever bought a $7 product from me, how much money is that? That's quite a bit of money, right? And then, I've got over 20,000 subscribers. So websites and small iconic offers really help to build the front end of your business. And then these, lead people through email sequences and stuff like that to the higher end products and offers in your back end. And your website is so important to do this for you. All right. So that is it for today. I know I'm talking really, really fast. But I really wanted to get this out here. I really don't like to keep these classes really long. I like to give you a little bit of information on a Monday, let you know what's happening, so that you can spend most of your time actually working on what's important to you to get your business up and running into the level that you want. So I'm so excited for you guys. I will do another live on Wednesday, letting you have the link and letting you know that it is up and running and available. And some of you, if you're on the email list already, you're going to get an email with it as well. If not, check back here on Wednesday to this channel, and you will get that link for that special super early bird pricing of only $27. All right, I'm really excited, and I want to see your guys' website. So as you guys get them done, I want you to post your own websites inside of our main group, so everybody can check them out and look at them and see what you have to offer, and see if you guys can't, even get a few clients or a few customers. All right, so I'm really excited. But yes, when your website is up and done, I want you to post it inside of the group. Let us all take a look at it, and maybe you'll get some subscribers to your iconic offer or to your free products. All right, bye everyone. And if you have any questions, don't forget, as always, post below.